Secret formula. How the IB actually decides your grades. I will focus on IBDP grade boundaries in this video. As an introduction, grade boundaries are the minimum total marks required to achieve a specific grade from 1 to 7 in a subject. Your final grade in each subject lesson, like physics, like mathematics, like geography, will be an integer, something between 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. We don't have 5.5. No, we have 5 or we have 6. The question is, if my overall performance is, for example, 62%, what is my grade? Okay, let's say you have passed the exam, all the modules, paper 1, paper 2, probably paper 3, and your internal assessment. And finally, they give you an overall performance as a percentage. Let's say this is 73%. What is your mark? How do they determine your final grade? 1, 2, 6, 7. What is that? Grade boundaries will decide about it. How are they determined? Grade boundaries are determined based on difficulty of the exam. They share questionnaire between all subject teachers all around the world in the same subject, and they ask their opinion. And they find the difficulty of the exam, the challenges. And number 2, overall performance of the candidates at the exam. After marking all exams, they have a statistical work and find the overall performance, the average and so forth. And finally, opinion of senior examiners. These 3 will affect the grade boundaries. As an example, let's have a look at physics grade boundaries, May 2025 HL. In time zone 1, you need 67% at least to get a 7. You see, in time zone 2, you need at least 68. And in time zone 3, you need at least 71% to get a 7. Even in different time zones, they are different. Why? Because they have different exam papers. To get a 5, in time zone 3, you need 46. In time zone 2, same 46. But in time zone 1, you need 45. They are different. Okay, what about different subjects? Let's say we are in May 2025, time zone 1, and I'm gonna get a grade 6. Minimum percent you need for Math SL, for example, is 52. For Physics SL is 53. Go to the end, for English BHL, you need 76% minimum to get a 6. You see, in the same time zone, the bottom line for each subject is different. Okay, what about the score for minimum percentage for having a 7 in time zone 1, 2025? Okay, for 7 in Physics SL, for example, in that time zone, you need 63%. For Math SL, 65. And go to the end, for English BHL, you need 91%. Why is that? Why they are different? Because they have different level of difficulties and also different overall performance. That's why. Is the English B easier than physics? It might be, but having a 7 in English B, although its grade boundaries is very high, has the same challenge as physics SL, that's 63. Means that the difficulty of the exam will not affect your grade. If the exam is easier, overall performance in the word is better, so the bottom line raises up. That's why we say exams are fair. When they are determined, grade boundaries are determined before the exam, after the exam? No. They are determined after marking the exam. When they mark the exam and when they get the opinion of all teachers and senior examiners, they decide about the grade boundaries. What's the benefit of grade boundaries? As I mentioned, they make the results fair and independent of difficulty of exams and time zones. We do have similar thing in IELTS and TOEFL, but the thing is that in IELTS and TOEFL, they are always the same. The grade boundaries in IELTS won't change. They are predetermined. Overall performance of candidates won't affect the grade boundaries, but in IB they do. and this is why IB has very fair marking system. I wish you a good luck. Take care. See you.